In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Online Troubleshooting Service is disabled error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This issue can prevent your system from running built-in troubleshooters, but the good news is that it can be resolved using two simple methods. Let's walk through each one step by step. We'll start with the first method, which uses the Windows registry. Begin by opening the Start menu and typing regedit into the search bar. When it appears, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Once the registry editor opens, navigate through the folders on the left panel, expand HK out Current User, then Open Software, followed by Microsoft. Next, scroll down and expand Windows, then Current Version, and finally locate a folder named WinTrust inside WinTrust. Open the folder called Trust Providers and then click on Software Publishing. On the right side, double-click the entry named State A box will appear where you can adjust the value data. Make sure the value is set to 146,432 in decimal. After entering the correct value, click OK to save your changes. You can now close the registry editor. This adjustment helps Windows properly verify trust settings and allows online troubleshooting to work again. If you prefer using group policy or if the first method didn't solve the issue, let's move on to the second method. Open the Start menu again and type *GP edit.msc* into the search bar. When it appears, open it to access the local group policy editor. Once inside, expand administrative templates, then expand the system folder. After that, click on Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. Inside this section, select Scripted Diagnostics. Now look for a setting called Troubleshooting, allow users to access online troubleshooting. Double-click to open it. Make sure the setting is marked as not configured. If it isn't, switch it to not configured, click Apply, and then click OK. This setting ensures Windows is allowed to connect online when running troubleshooters. Once you've updated the policy, close the editor and restart your system to apply all changes. After the restart, your Windows Online Troubleshooting Service should be working normally again. These simple adjustments often resolve the issue quickly and help restore full functionality to Windows diagnostic tools. I hope this tutorial helped you solve the problem. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.